So today was my grandfather's memorial. It's been a very hard day for me.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year.
These kids are the only thing that keeping me together.
So we are officially done packing up everything. The only thing that's left in this house to be packed up is the heavy stuff like our couch, our beds, and babe's office, but everything else is in boxes. I was just sitting here thinking of how hard 2021 have been for me personally. Like 2021 definitely messed me up, especially with my grandfather dying. My grandfather memorial is tomorrow. It's a lot. It's a lot going on. I start classes today. We move tomorrow. I haven't even looked at my classes. I'm not going to even stress myself about it until Friday. If I miss something, I miss it. I'm just not going to worry about stuff I can't control. Friday, I need to go get my books and stuff and call it a day. I have to finish my clinical application. I need to write my friggin' finish writing my intent letter. I need to be studying for my TEAS test because I gotta take my TEAS test between now and March. So much stuff going on. It's a lot. And I'm 99% ready to graduate. Okay, I think I only need one more classes to graduate, so I'm just trying to get it done. Oh yeah, Happy New Year. I didn't even say Happy New Year. I'm such an idiot. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you for staying tuned to your girl. I took a little bit of a break because I needed it because I have a lot going on. How is your new year going? Did you write down any resolutions? What are your resolutions for 2021? Comment them in the comment section below. I definitely have some resolutions for 2021, so I'll talk about them later on when I'm not doing so much. I feel like I have a lot going on. I'll talk about them. Anyways, so today was moving day. We finally moved. Babe went back to the house because we don't have any tissue in here. I don't know how I didn't pack any tissue, or at least I can't find the tissues that I packed. So here's a little glimpse of what we're working with. Okay, the house is a mess, but we'll get to it. So I'm just checking in with you guys, and I'll see you in the AM because we gotta go over to the other house and clean. I'll probably carry my vlog camera. And see you guys. Deuces.
So today was my grandfather's memorial. It's been a very hard day for me. But I got the linen closet clean and I got the kitchen packed away somewhat. It's not fully done, but I got majority of it done. So one step at a time, one day at a time. These kids are the only thing that keeping me together. Tata. Hi. 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 She up on herself. She's going to be conceited as hell. She's drooling. She has 2 teeth now. She's teething. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have errands to run anyways. I'm breaking out. I'm stressed out. Anyways.
Strong santificado sea tu nombre, venga tu reino, hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo.